I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner, then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the ConnectSit dashboard. Create ConnectSit. Search and drop webhook. Copy the webhook URL and capture the webhook responses, then paste it on the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your ConnectSit site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.